This is a law school consultant, and I'm going to cover for you where should you go to law school. So one of the things that's important to think about is, do you want to stay in the state where you're from and take advantage of in-state tuition? Do you want to take the opportunity to go to a new state, perhaps where you're going to be working? Making the right decision on where you're going to go to law school can be a little bit difficult. There's a lot of options. There's a lot of great law schools out there. You want to think about what's going to serve you best. Where do you want to work? What market do you want to work? And maybe that law school has a program in the summers for you to be able to go to the city that you want to work in, but you really love that law school and you want to study there. Another thing to consider, many people like to go to law school in the state where they're going to practice. Most of the individuals going to that law school that graduate, your classmates and colleagues, are going to stay in that state. So you are going to want to network with them while you're in law school and after law school. So sometimes staying in the state and studying in the state where you want to practice law can make a lot of sense. You also want to think about overall budget. Law schools are getting more expensive, and you want to look at which one's going to be the best deal for you, which law school is going to offer you the most scholarship money. Cost of living is really important to think about. Each city has a different cost of living. So sometimes even if you get a full ride at a law school, the cost of living can be cost prohibitive for many students. So these are some things to consider when looking at where do you want to go to law school, where do you want to be situated for the best opportunities for your legal career.